Hello there, I'm Drone Charan, Applications Engineer with Alpha Technologies. Today we're going to discuss fan replacement on the Alpha Inverter Module 2500, or the AIM2500. To replace the fan module, you'll need a replacement fan and a small flathead screwdriver. There are 4 tabs here on the right and left that you need to push in to remove the bezel. Once you've got the tabs removed, pull the bezel out and put it to the side. The fan module comes out like this, and there's a power cord here that you'll need to unplug, and it's on a connector. Give it a quick tug and pull it out. Take your new fan module and plug it into the power connector on the board. Once it's plugged in, insert the fan module into the inverter module. After that is complete, go ahead and reinsert the bezel into the inverter module. And that's how you replace a fan module on the Alpha Inverter Module 2500. Thank you very much for watching. For more tech tips, please go to alpha.ca/techtips.